My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 36,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. On the screen, we can get access to Apple CarPlay, navigation, Bluetooth, and car. If we go into comfort and convenience, we have unique features such as Follow Me Home and Find My Car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it has a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back, we can see that the ZS has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.